Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Renault Clio Play. This car comes with a 1 litre petrol turbo engine and a manual gearbox which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 47 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of just 8, and this is a one owner vehicle having covered 6,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Metallic Titanium Grey and it's in great condition for the age of mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior there. The seats there look really smart with the great grey outer edging. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your DAB radio there in the centre with Bluetooth for your phone, as well as air conditioning. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric mirror and front window controls. As we open the rear doors with the clamp handles which are tucked away, you've then got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, with the rear bench having 3 individual seat belts. And it's good to see that the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Renault too. As we open the tailgate, on the Clio you've got a really good sized boot there, quite wide for a small hatchback, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the car as well, you've also got a spare wheel. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights and the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.